Hey everybody, what is going on today? Today we're going to be going over how to modify selections in your quick mask mode. And this is in Photoshop CS6. So what we're trying to do here is when you make a selection, so go ahead and load it up an image and make a selection, and the selection isn't quite working out that great for you. You can see in my selection some of the bottom has been selected that I don't want, and some of inside the cherry, some of the white spots in the cherry and then the stem have been selected as well, and I don't really want those to be selected. So I'm going to use quick mask mode to quickly get rid of that stuff. So go ahead and select your quick mask mode over here, and if you look at this, you can see that clicking on edit in quick mask mode is a good way to see what you really have selected in your image. So let's go ahead and select our brush tool, and we make sure we have black on there. And I'm just going to switch over to my channels panel so I can always see what I'm doing in my quick mask. And then I'm going to start drawing on my image here, or painting on it, to start selecting parts of the image that may have been selected, or may have not, or may have been selected. So I'm going to switch to my white here to get rid of some of my selection, especially the stuff down here that I didn't want selected. Now I'm not going to be like super meticulous about this because I don't want to waste your guys' time. You don't want to watch me just doing mundane stuff. But now you have the idea. You know that you can now edit in quick mask mode and edit your masks that you already have existing. So go ahead and you can zoom in to see what you've got, what you don't have, and everything like that. It's a good way to see what your mask has in it already and everything, and see how good your mask was made. Like you can see here that some of my cherry didn't get masked here, and now we know what we need to work with and everything like that. So now you know how to modify your selections with your quick mask mode, and once you're done, go ahead and click on the edit in standard mode, and then everything that all the selections and masking and everything that you messed with, it is now all applied to the selection now, and no mask has been made. You have a selection. There's nothing in the channels panel anymore. So this is a good way to edit up your selections nicely without having to use something like the quick selection tool to do that stuff. You have a lot more control when you use the quick mask tool and start using your paintbrush here. So that's how you do that, and that's all I wanted to show you. Remember that you can double click to bring up the mask options and change the color or opacity if you really need to. So that's all I'm gonna show you today for how to modify your selections in the quick mask mode, and thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my upcoming tutorials. Have a good one, everybody.